How to refund a game on Steam. So the first thing you should know that you can only refund the game within the 14 days of the purchase. So if you want to refund during that 14 days, what you want to do is tap on your username at the top right and head over to account settings. Inside account details, you'll find the option where it says view purchase history. Click on it. In this page, it will show you all the items that you have purchased. Move into the item that you want to refund. Now click on I would like a refund. Once again click on I'd like to request a refund. You need to select the refund method. Let me click on refund by PayPal. Once you are done, you also need to state the reason why you want to refund this purchase. You can simply enter that you have purchased this accidentally. Once you have stated the reason, what you want to do is tap on submit request. This report will be successfully sent to the Steam support, and within 24 hours, you will definitely get a refund and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can get your refund on Steam account. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for staying with us till the end.